Hey, what's your boy Rocky Rad 5? I'm drunk as shit. I'm drunk as shit. But I feel like doing some music, so I'm gonna spit some shit. I'm not gonna sing tonight, I'm gonna spit. So it's quick 16. Let me see. I said, bottoms up, motherfucker. So bitch, don't kill my vibe. Victoria told me everything, but the secrets I will hide. Take them off, show me something new. I'm sure it'll catch my eye. Top of your pyramids I shall divide. For you up with a couple of blessings. Put my sons up in the sky. Ferrari and G5, making money till I die. Overdosing on that potion, but that weed didn't keep me high. Good fellow, hello, Molly keeping me mellow. Mix it around in my drink until that purple turn yellow. What y'all know about fashion? My vintage, stop asking. Bastard, you a has-been. Stop trying to test me, bastard. Alright, I'm a freestyle. Going fucking wild. Tell me what y'all think about this. One page like Moscow. Moscow? Yo, I told y'all niggas I was drunk as shit. My battery about to die. But that was some quick shit. Do it look like I have my eyes open? Influential, you know? Pop, I'm out of here.